Hello, hello, hello everybody out there. Today I'm going to be discussing on how to transmit a frequency, how to create a frequency to transmit. Plain and simple. It's going to be very short and very quick. I just finished having a live meeting with 3 of my high-level clients all at once. It was fantastic. And 2 of them asked me the same thing. How do I create a frequency? How do I transmit? How do I stay in the feeling of the end? I said, oh, okay. So I explained it to them. So I decided, why not share the same thing I shared with them with you guys? So this is how you transmute a frequency. Remember, our mind, is a transmitter and receiver of thought and frequency. So how you create a thought is simply think about what it is you want. When you think about what it is you want, you have created the frequency. Right at that moment, you are in that frequency. Now, to snatch that frequency which you've created in your mind, in your thought, which you're transmitting, once you think about it, you're transmitting. Like right now, I'm thinking about something that I desire, something that I want. Something I want to experience. So I'm thinking about it. I'm like, wow, okay. you know, I like that. So it's coming. So it's in my thought. But now I got to snatch it. I got to bring it down to the present time. So I get a pen and a paper. Some people say you should get a blue pen and a plain white sheet of paper. Now I don't know about that, whether it works or not, but guess what? I do it. So I get a blue pen, white sheet of paper. And then what it is I'm thinking about, I start writing it down. Now, you can use your regular hand, your dominant hand, to write down your frequency. Or if you want to ingrain it and you're upgrading to a new, higher version of yourself, your identity, then you can use your opposite hand. Now remember that. You can use your opposite hand to deepen what you're writing, and you can use your regular hand just to write it out. You decide. There are 2 options. So right now I'm going to write down the frequency I'm thinking about. Yeah. We're going to write that down. Like, I am so thankful and grateful. I am so thankful, showing gratitude and grateful. Now that I am experiencing whatever you're experiencing, write it down. I know what I'm experiencing, so I'm writing it down. Give me a few seconds here. I am so thankful and grateful now that I'm experiencing and just think about it. Just think about, like, remember, when you're thinking about it, you're transmitting that frequency. And as long as it goes out for 68 seconds, it's in the universe. It's in the quantum. Just 68 seconds. There's a long story about that, but those who are following me, you know what the 68-second barrier is. And those who are not, go and do your research. Check out Esther and Jerry Hicks and Abraham and 68 seconds. That's where you'll get that information from, and you can go deeper if you want. But those are the facts. So right now, just think about it. I'm thinking about what it is I desire. Just thinking about it. And to give the thought a little buffer, give that frequency a little blanket underneath it. I am playing a frequency in the background as you might hear it. There is 2. There is Baroque classical music, which synchronizes the left and right hemisphere. And then I'm playing simultaneously on another device the frequency of 7.83, Earth's frequency. Ask me why I do it. Everything is energy. Just lock in. Because it's all frequency. It's all vibration. It's all energy. It took me about 13 years to understand it. But now I get it, and I'm utilizing it. I'm working with it. It's like energy. It's like, just keep thinking about what it is you want. Let me keep thinking about what I want. And I'm gonna, oh, there we go, it's my list of my desires. And you just, right now, you just sit down for a few minutes. Every single day, try to do this for at least 3 to 4, 5 minutes. Just do it. Even come back, watch this video when you're doing your own thing as well. Because I'm looking at my goal, and I'm gonna get that done. And the more you look at it daily, the more your idea just grows, and attachments attached to it, opportunities, situations, other people vibrating at that frequency that you've chosen to encompass and transmit out. The law of attraction will bring it back to you. Please, I hope you do your research on this. I have a website that I'll attach the link below. It's called thankskevin.com. Just go down there, and I put a collection of all his videos on his channel that speak about energy. So that way you can hear from the source. I'm just a student, but he's the source. Thanks, Kevin. So check it out. And I learned this transmission of frequency. How to transmit frequency. I learned that from once again, your wish is your command. In this audio series, CD number, get over here. All right. CD number 5 gives the exact method and explanation how to transmit frequency. So I'm testing this all out. I'm experimenting with it. I am also creating a desire that I want. Let me put it right here. I see where it is. I have to keep circling it. That's the desire, the goal that I want. So I'm transmitting that frequency. And they say, make sure you go out when you see your desire, acknowledge it. See it, and always start to think about your desire, and then let it run through your circuit system. That's another topic for another day. But anytime when you're thinking about your goals, dreams, desires, and you're thinking about it, you're on that frequency. That's the frequency you think about. If you're thinking about something right now, a perfect body. Just for those of you out there who want a perfect body, close your eyes and think about a perfect body. Those wanting money, think of a specific amount of money you want. Think about it. As you're thinking about it, you're going to get images. Those images are the frequencies. You're connected. You don't have to go out and look for it and wait 45 days or 2 days or 2 weeks. It's instantaneous. Just close your eyes and think. Wow, $5,000. Think a loving relationship. Think health. Think I want to pass my exams. Think I want to. As you're thinking, you are creating. Remember that. Thinking, you're creating, and then when you're writing, you're creating. Thinking, you're thinking. That thinking gives you thoughts. All of that, you're transmitting the frequency. The longer you can keep thinking like that, the sooner it comes. If you think about it once a day for 2 minutes, you're still going to get it, but it might be a little bit longer, the gap. But if you're thinking about it morning, noon, night, you're carrying some images about what you want. You're writing it down, you're thinking about it, you're talking about it. Trust me, you're going to get it lickety-split very fast. So I wanted to make this quick video to tell you and to show you how I transmute or how I transmit frequency, thought, vibration, and you can do the same. Check it out, do your research on about it, but that's how you do it. Think about it, write it down, speak about it. You're connecting to it, and the law of attraction will pull it to you. So I don't want to talk too much, but I believe I've imparted this knowledge on you guys. Go and practice it and see what I'm talking about. And if you know more about it or you're curious, leave a question below. I love reading these questions. I love talking to you guys. It's like we're all in the same classroom. So we'll go from there. So have a great day, everybody, and I love you. I really do.